Good morning, entrepreneurs and builders. Welcome to the Breaking Business Podcast, where we don't just talk marketing and entrepreneurship, we dissect it, we challenge it, we extract those golden nuggets that you can actually use every single day. Business is in your blood, and I'm here to make it boil. I'm your host, Dr. Wood. Now let's break it down and build something great.
No ads, no followers, no complicated funnels, just one email. That could change your entire business. Today, in this video, we're going to be diving into a strategy that's old school, but still widely underused: cold email. Is it spam, or is it the secret growth weapon that you've been sleeping on? Let's find out. Look, I get it. When people hear cold email, they think spammy, mass blast, but smart cold email is precise, personal, powerful. And here's why it still works. It bypasses the noisy platforms. You reach decision makers directly. It costs almost nothing to test, and then it's scalable and trackable. Some of the biggest startups like Stripe, Dropbox, or even Airbnb used cold email to land their first users and partnerships, because cold email equals proactive growth. Now, before we dive into strategy, let's clear up some of the biggest mistakes that killed cold outreach. The first one, the most obvious one, is mass sending. One email sent to 1,000 people, ignored. One tailored email sent to 10 specific prospects gives you opens, replies, deals. The second thing was boring subject lines. If it doesn't get opened, it doesn't get read. Use curiosity and personalization. Now, example of that, quick question about insert industry here. Saw your recent launch. Quick idea. Interesting. Then there's the aspect of talking too much. Cold emails aren't your TED Talk. Keep it short, three to 5 sentences max. Cold emails have been on the decline and spam related because people are using it as a way to present their ideas in this grandiose way. No, keep it simple, keep it to the point. And that leads me to number 4, making it about you. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about what you do. Not at first, at least. Show them that you've done something. Show them what you've done for research. You understand their pain point, that you can relate to them on a personal level. So with that, here's a proven structure that you can copy and tweak and make it your own. Subject line. First, keep it casual, personalized, and intriguing. Quick question about insert their company here. Loved your recent post on insert thing here. Then your first line should be a personal hook of sorts. Reference something about their blog, their product, their post, something about them specifically. Hey, I just saw that you launched new insert thing here. Congratulations. Then after that, I want you to put a value line. Make it about them. Show that you get their problem. I get that you want to do thing here. Instead try something like, I help software as a service founders fix onboarding drop-offs without rebuilding their app. You get their problem, you know how to fix it, you convey the way that they can fix it by hiring you. Then after that, have a clear call to action, low pressure, something simple. An example, would it make sense to hop on a quick 10-minute, 15-minute call and explore this opportunity? A bonus to this is include a social proof system. We helped insert company or insert client here increase their demos by a certain percentage using this same approach. Make it relatable and make it a reference word of mouth that they can check on. Then, as a follow-up tip for this, you should probably send 2 to 3 polite follow-ups spaced a few days apart. Don't make it spammy. Most replies come on the second or third touch. But here's where cold email really shines. Albeit all the other stuff before is great and fine and dandy, but cold email shines on a B2B client outreach system. Coaches, consultants, freelancers that target businesses with high-ticket services. Partnerships. Hey, I think our audiences align. Want to collaborate? Podcasts. Get in front of the audiences without building your own. Product demos or beta users, especially useful for something like a software as a service, course creators looking for early feedback, survey takers. This leads into market research. Ask for 10 minutes to learn about someone's pain points. Don't pitch it, just build relationships first by understanding the individual. So, is cold email the secret to growth? The long and the short, if you want to grow lean, fast, direct, the answer is yes. But it's not about spam, it's about strategy. You don't want to mass send, right? So based on that, here's a quick action plan for you. Build a list of 25 ideal prospects, people that you can visualize being the perfect customer for your service or product. Then I want you to write a short, personalized email and then send manually. Do not automate it yet. Follow this up 2 or 3 times, track the responses, and tweak based on your results. Now, before we leave, comment below. I don't know why my brain paused. Comment below if you're using an email outreach system and what tools do you use? Is it something that we don't know yet? Are you interested in learning more? If so, please like, subscribe, share it with your friends, comments, questions, concerns, or if you disagree with any of my opinions, please post them below. Let's have a conversation. And until the next one, I'll see you again. Bye.